What's up guys, RC Syndicate here, back with another video, and today we have some parts to finally throw at this thing. What's up guys, I appreciate you guys sticking with me. It's been a long time since we've got some freaking parts for this thing. Again, for those of you who are unfamiliar, I'll put some videos up here so you guys can check it out. But this is basically going to be our 2026 comp rig. Standard, axial 10.2 GSP chassis, a few modifications, and just recently put a Reefs 888 servo in here. If you guys, again, haven't checked out that video, I'll link it up top so you can check that out. Definitely a game changer, but I want to show you a few new parts that we have for this rig. Not all of them yet, but a few new parts, and I think you guys will definitely enjoy. So on the road to make this rig a 4S rig, still waiting on the motor and ESC, but in the meantime, we have finally received our Reefs 4S LiPo connector. This one right here has a Reefs 3S LiPo connector. This right here is direct play for the 888, plug and play. Skips having to go through the BEC or having to wire up some kind of connector, all kinds of just adapter. Very, very easy. So very nice product. And then finally, our 4S batteries. Now this is our Z 1300 milliamp battery 4S. This is a big pack, definitely weighs quite a bit of weight. The reason why I have this, because this is going to be a new rig to me, basically again, once we put the 4S in it. And I'd like to have just a little bit more milliamps so I can have some decent runtime instead of having a 850 shorty pack and not really get the full feel. I want to be able to run this for a length of time and actually identify if I have any issues. So this is going to be a welcome addition. But let me show you what else we got. Drum roll, please. There's no drum roll? Okay, 10-4. We finally got the Hardcore RC links. Currently I have these brass links on there. I believe I got these on A-Main. Can't really remember if they're A-Main or Horizon Hobby, but they're brass, they're bent, they do great. I have Hardcore RC links on another rig of mine, but we decided to go ahead and get these placed on this rig. Got titanium. For those of you who would have saw the wheelbase, I think we're going to go ahead and try to go with a 12.8 wheelbase on this thing. We might have to mix and match a few parts, but I think this is going to be a welcome addition to this rig. Very, very excited to have these. Now, I think you guys are like me. You enjoy wrenching on them. Watching people wrench on them, it really depends on if it hits right. So I think I'm probably just going to go ahead and do us both a solid and go ahead and pull these wheels off and get these parts installed. Let's get to it. Well, guys, here she is in all her beauty. We got the Hardcore RC links installed, and man, it went together well. I wanted to go ahead and kind of throw those clips in together pretty quick. I'm not going to make a tutorial on how to put on links. If you guys want that, just let me know in the comment section. Absolutely no big deal. I just didn't want to bore you guys too bad, so I hope it wasn't too much. But there she is right here, exactly 12.8 inches. I'll pull out my handy dandy ruler on this thing, or measuring tape rather, and we are a Boots 12.8 on that sucker right here. Yeah, she is long. I'm sure that's never been said before. So pretty excited. We're gonna get this on the trail. I'm sorry I'm not gonna be able to get it on the trail for you guys in this video, but we'll definitely get it soon. Again, now we have the 4S on here. We're going to be working on that next. It may already be in there. I'm not sure. Because while I was recording this bad boy showed up. Boom. It's finally here. We got the Fusion Pro Elite system. And yes, for sure, that sucker's already in there. But one step at a time, my friends. So that's where I'm going to go ahead and end it. Again, appreciate you guys taking the time. Very, very excited to see how this rig's going to perform. Basically, all brand new for me once again. So check it out, guys. Hardcore RC links. I'll definitely leave a link right there in the description so you guys can check them out. Great product. Like I said, I've already run these links or similar to these links before on another rig. Just product that really, really works. So, guys, until the next one, I'll catch you guys later.